Top interview question answers on R. 1. What is R? R is a programming language and environment. The purpose of R is for statistical computing and is used mostly in data analysis and data visualization. It's known for its highly sophisticated graphical visualization capabilities and its use as a statistical analytics environment. Most programmers that work with data as a major part of their career will learn R programming eventually, as it's one of the most powerful programming languages for statistical analysis. 2. How do you list the preloaded datasets in R? The packages that are preloaded in R are part of the mass package, a built-in package that contains datasets and functions. In order to list these datasets, you'll need to use the command data. Then, once you've decided on which dataset you are going to work with, you'll select your dataset of choice from the mass package using the command data, *sample data set*, with the dataset's name between the parentheses. 3. What are some advantages of R? R is not only a powerful graphics generator, but is also serviced by an active open-source community. It works across platforms and is easily downloaded and started up without any real accommodations needed. R has also been developed to include machine learning capabilities, making it an essential tool when putting together a machine learning portfolio. 4. What are some drawbacks of R? R as a language has some drawbacks that can hamper the workflow of programmers, including memory-heavy due to inefficiency, lacks basic security measures, complicated with a steep learning curve, inconsistency in package quality. 5. How can you identify the data type of an object? Using the functions class or typeof, you can identify the data type of an object in R. The class function returns the actual data type, whereas typeof returns a more detailed idea of the type of data. 6. How do you install a package in R? In order to install a package in R, you simply need to use the install.packages command. This will allow you to install a package from the Comprehensive R Archive Network, CRAN. 7. How do you go about selecting the right package for solving a problem using R? There are many different methods for finding the right R package for your project. For some, this question may be a simple matter of preference. But for researchers and industry experts, selecting the right package has academic methodology behind it. Most literature suggests that you consult with peer-reviewed sources to ensure that the package you're choosing is right for your project. 8. List some of the best packages for data visualization. ggplot2. The ggplot2 package is a data visualization package that can greatly improve the visual aesthetics of a graphical representation. Lattice package. This package produces elegant data visualizations for multivariate data. Highcharter, a wrapper for the Highcharts JavaScript library. Leaflet. This package helps create dynamic online maps. iPlots. This package is a useful tool for creating box plots, mosaic plots, bar plots, parallel plots, and many others. Data mining. Crawler, a web crawling and extracting package with a range of uses. dplyr, designed for data frame manipulation. Data imputation. Mice, helps with the imputation of missing data values. Amelia, this program helps fit multiple imputation models. Miss Forest, a machine learning-based imputation package. 9. Tell me about the Lattice package. The Lattice package is an add-on package that implements Trellis graphics. It helps with building data visualization for multivariate data and is the best method to depict complex data sets. Many different scatter plots can be generated by using the Lattice package. 10. What is the use of with in R? The with function is used to evaluate an R expression that is within an environment constructed based on a data frame. This can only be used on data frames. 11. What is the use of by in R? This function is used to take up data, specify its use, and then apply a function to it. 12. When is it appropriate to use mode? The mode function extracts the most frequently occurring values within a data frame. It essentially finds the statistical mode of a vector or data frame. 13. What is a factor variable, and why would you use one? Factor variables take on a limited number of different values. They are useful for displaying a character vector in a non-alphabetical order and a vector with a fixed set of values. Factor variables can contain variables of either string or numeric values. 14. When is it appropriate to use the which function? This function returns the position of a value in a logical vector. 15. What is the basic syntax for creating scatterplot matrices in R? The basic syntax to create a scatterplot in R is plot, x, y, main, xlab, ilab, zlim, ilum, axes. 16. Differentiate between Laply and Saply. Both Laply and Saply perform the same operations in our programming code. However, Laply returns a list, whereas Saply simplifies the result into a vector or matrix. 17. How do you concatenate strings in R? Concatenating strings in R is done by using the paste function. The syntax when using this function would have the data that you are concatenating within the parentheses. This would result in a new line of concatenated code that contains the items listed in the parentheses. 18. How do you read a CSV file in R? In R, the read.csv function is the default method to read a CSV file. This is a built-in function call that will read the data from the designated CSV file. 19. List the different sorting algorithms available in R. The primary algorithms for sorting within our programming are quick sort, bubble sort, merge sort, insertion sort, selection sort. 20. What is a linear regression model? How do you go about building it? Linear regression is the process of using data in your possession to make predictions and is one of several types of linear models. A model that performs linear regression is used as a prediction model that makes educated estimations. Our programming has a specific function for constructing this model. Analyzing a selected data set with the function lm creates a linear regression model of that dataset. A linear regression model is usually used to analyze continuous variables, but can also be used for categorical variables as well. 21. Describe how R can be used for predictive analysis. Our programming excels at linear regression, among other tools used to perform predictive analysis. As a statistics-based program, R can construct prediction software based on the data that it receives through input. These predictive models work to show a linear relationship between data points that can be extended to future data values.